Okay. Uh, Speaking of things that we know it when we hear it, tone. Tone is our attitude or our purpose that we are trying to communicate via our words. So some classic phrases that you may have heard and that the tone told you what was really going on. I'm not mad. She's so sweet. Bless your heart. Tone can make a huge difference. How many people, you do not have to raise your hands because we are in the internet, but how many people have experienced someone saying they weren't mad and you definitely knew they were because of their tone? This happens because in writing as well, but because we can't use our actual physical voice, we influence it by, again, the way we present ideas, the things we focus on, the way the words we choose. It all kind of goes together to present a tone.